are doing? And today we're going to learn about circulatory system. But before learning anything, let's revise what we studied in the last class. And I remember that I missed the part about telling what is rectum. So, rectum is nothing but the part of digestive system that stores the undigested food before it gets out of the body. So, here is a question related to digestive system. State true or false. Digestion is a process where food particles break down into smaller components. You have to choose between true or false. Choose your answer and see which one is correct. The correct answer is true. So, these are the learning goals for this chapter, circulatory system. So, make sure that you are making notes and listening carefully. So guys, the last chapter that we learned about was digestive system, and the end product was the nutrients that were absorbed by the small intestine. So do you know how nutrients are circulated in our body? The nutrients in our body are circulated by the help of circulatory system. So guys, I mean to say that the word circulatory system only says that circulation, the circulation through the body. That's why it is given the name the circulatory system. So let's see now what is the definition of the circulatory system. The circulatory system is the body system that moves blood and nutrients around the body. So, this circulatory system is also known as cardiovascular system. Cardio is used for heart and vascular is used for vessels. So, everyone, now let's meet the members of the circulatory system. Just for the information, there are not so many parts in the circulatory system like the digestive system. It just has 3 parts, but you have to understand those 3 parts very clearly. As I told you guys that the circulatory system is just made of 3 parts, but these 3 parts are very main parts of our body. These 3 main parts are the heart, the blood and the blood vessels. Just as I told you about the chapter digestive system, that this chapter is very important, just like it, I am going to tell you the same thing for this chapter also, because every chapter in science will help you every day in your day-to-day life. And if you want to achieve anything in competitive exams like Olympiads, I know you have to study hard and make a note out of it. Now, here I have a quiz for you guys. Circulatory system is also known as dash. Your options are cardiovascular system, muscular system, nervous system, skeletal system. You have to choose your answer and see which one is correct. The correct answer is cardiovascular system, option number A. Because as I told you, the cardio means the heart and vascular means the vessels. It totally means the circulatory system. Here I have a new question for you guys. Identify these 2 things. Identify the pictures and then answer this. Your options are blood. You have to choose 2 answers. Option A, blood. Option B, blood vessels. Option C, heart. Option D, none. The correct answer is blood and blood vessels. Another question. What are the three main components of the circulatory system? Your options are option A, heart, option B, blood, option C, blood vessels, option D, all of the above. You have to choose one answer only. The correct answer is all of the above. Now, here comes up the main part of the chapter. The information about heart. I am telling you, please listen carefully because it is very important. Now, here comes up the explanation part. Heart is made up of heart muscles, also known as cardiac muscles. Next point. Heart is a muscular organ. Please make a note out of it. I am telling you again and again because this chapter is very important and you need to learn it. Where the heart is located. Heart is located between the lungs in the thoracic cavity, slightly towards the left. That's why we say that the left lung is smaller than the right lung because it needs to give space to the heart. Now, let's see the size of our heart. Your heart is as big as your fist. As you grow, your heart also grows. And if you want to know how the heart looks, you can have a look at this and know how the heart looks. It has some nerves going through it. It has many ventricles and arteries. You will study this in next session with the structure of heart. The heart is also known as a muscular organ because it is made up of dash. This is a quiz. Your options are A. Heart muscles, B. Heart bones, C. Heart joints, D. None of the above. You have to choose your answer and see which one is correct. The correct answer is heart muscles. Next question. State true or false. Statement 1. Your heart is as big as your fist. Statement 2. As you grow, your heart starts growing. Your options for this question are Statement 1 is true, but Statement 2 is false. Sorry for the spelling mistake. B. Statement 2 is true, but Statement 1 is false. Option C. Both the statements are true. D. None of the above. Choose your answer and see which one is correct. The correct answer is option C. Both the statements are true. Now, structure of our heart. Structure of our heart we are going to study in the next session. And as I told you, please make a note out of this chapter. It is very important for your science competitive exams like Olympiads. And we are going to study structure of heart and all the things about heart in the next session. Till then, bye bye. And thank you for attending my session. Please subscribe if you like this and don't forget to like the video. And till then, bye bye. Please don't forget to make notes. I'm telling you again and again and you know why am I telling that.